Hello everyone! So quick story, I went to my favorite craft store the other day and I looked all over and I could not find a stand for my sphere that would work. So I looked online and I still couldn't find what I wanted. And then it hit me. I'm always using these macrame rings to hold my spheres when I'm painting. Why not make my own stand? So today I want to show you how to make your own stand to display a sphere. And this works great for balls, eggs, rocks, and basically anything round that you want to display. Here's my recipe. You can pause here to gather what you need, or just refer to the list in the description area below this video. I'm using 4 macrame rings. 2 2-inch and 2 are 2.5-inch. And you can use different sized rings depending on what you want to display. And you can add more rings depending on the style of stand that you want to build. But just make sure that the ring size difference is about 1/2 inch. First, let's trace the inside of one of the large rings on a sheet of paper and then mark the center. Next, let's glue the 2 smaller rings together using a cotton swab and some craft glue. Apply a good amount of glue all around the side of one of the smaller rings, and then press the second small ring onto the first one and line them up evenly, and then just give the glue a few minutes to set. Next, let's apply a good amount of glue all around the side and over the outer edge of one of the smaller rings. Now press that ring down onto one of the larger rings and then just make sure it's centered by lining it up with that paper that we made for a marker. Let the glue set for a minute or two and then repeat this on the other smaller ring with the second larger ring. The smaller rings are going to fit almost perfectly into place on the larger rings. And if you want to be precise, you can use a level to make sure they're resting evenly. Let the glue dry for about 20 minutes before you start to paint. I want a distressed antique look to match a large sphere that I painted, so first I'm going to paint the rings black. And now I'm going to use a small bristle brush to just wisp on a little gold. And now we varnish. Voila! This stand is perfect for this 8-inch sphere. I made a smaller stand for my 4-inch heart sphere that only uses 3 rings, and it rests on top of one of the smaller rings. And I painted that one tan, and then I went over it with a light coat of dark brown, so it actually kind of looks like a mahogany stand. So here you have it, folks, your own DIY sphere stand. Thank you so much for joining me today to Paint with a Passion. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to painting again together real soon. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button if you haven't already. I wish you peace, love, and happiness now and always.